Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Steam and right-click Hello Neighbor in your library. Select Properties, then go to General to find Launch Options. In Launch Options, type console log and press Enter to save. This adds the developer console so you can open it with the tilde key. Ensure the game is closed before changing options to avoid configuration errors. Restart Steam, then launch the game to verify that the console opens. If the console does not open, check for typos and repeat the steps. Launch the game and press the tilde key to open the console. Type help to list available commands and get short descriptions. Common commands include God mode, fly, give item followed by item ID or name. Use save game save 1 to create a quick manual save slot number 1. Enter teleport XYZ to move to specific coordinates in the map. Be cautious using cheats during story modes because they can break quest triggers. For persistent changes, edit the config file in the game. If the console shows no commands, verify you launched through Steam with launch options. Check file permissions and run the game as administrator on Windows 10 or 11. Disable antivirus temporarily if it blocks console log files in the game directory. Reset launch options by clearing the field in Steam Properties and relaunch the game. Avoid sharing save files when using cheats to prevent corrupting multiplayer or online profiles. Backup your save folder by copying it to Documents or an external drive first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.